I rock. I rock, I rock, we rock. We rock, we rock, we rock. I rock, I rock, I rock. Ayy. So you are back with your girl, I rock. And as you can see, today I'm coming through with the passion twist for the winter. Those cozy nights, you gotta have a whole bunch of passion. So I'm coming through with the black and blonde passion twist. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you watch the entire video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So really quick, these passion twists are crochet style. So basically I have braided my hair all the way back. I don't have any hair left out. My hair is completely protected underneath, okay? Also, another thing with these passion twists, with the crochet style, you don't have to worry about these crochets unraveling. But these ones here, honey, they're not going anywhere. They're gonna stay in your head as long as you want them to, and they're gonna look beautiful as long as you take care of them, okay? So, without further ado, let's go. So you are back with your girl, I rock, and today we are trying this one more time. I actually braided my hair like a week and a half ago, and as you can see, it totally looks all bad. So I'm going to re-braid my hair again because we are doing the passion twist. So I have my hair parted in a zigzag way pattern. I'm going to go ahead and braid it. I'm using some braiding hair just to secure my braids even further. So I went ahead and moisturized my hair. I don't know if you guys can see like all that moisture that's in it. Ooh. So I moisturized my hair with extra virgin olive oil and some leave-in conditioner, Strength and Shine. And I also put eggs wax onto my hair, and also your good old trusty dusty black gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this onto my hair. So keep in mind, the braid doesn't have to be like absolutely perfect, because like literally we're gonna put the crochet braiding hair over it. So it's like, as long as you have your braid somewhat secure onto your scalp, that's all that matters. And literally I am like the worst braider in the world. So yeah, if I can do it, almost anybody can do it. So we have that one, and then I have this one already taken down and ready for you guys. So let me show you guys quickly the second one. So there you have it. You have your two braids, a zigzag pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my entire head, and I will be back with the finished result. Hello you guys, so I am back. It took me about like 1 hour to actually complete the braids. I have these zigzag braids going on. I did the best that I could, you guys, so don't even judge me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 in the front, and in the back I didn't really worry about getting it straight. I was just basically braiding the hair back. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 braids going straight back. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to sew these braids onto the other braids, and I will let you guys see that process. So go ahead and stay tuned. So you guys, I am back and I went ahead and sewed all my braids down to my scalp. So we have that. Let me turn to a 360 so you guys can see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. So the best part, we're going to begin to sew down or crochet our passion twist. So I got 5 packs of passion twists. I got 4 in the number 1 and I got 1 in the number 316. So it's the Janet collection Tress passion twists, and these passion twists are 14 inches. So I'm so excited, and as you know, they are crochet. And I'm gonna put them on and they're gonna be so super cute. So let me go ahead and take it out the pack so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the passion twists look like. They are super chunky and big and I love them. And then they have this spiral curl at the bottom. And they are super nice. So let's see how many are there. So there's 15 passion twists. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have 1 inch parting space, 1 finger width. Put in my crochet needle in. Closing my latch. Pulling the hair through. So that's 1. So we have 1 side done already. And it looks absolutely amazing. You can't even tell that I couldn't even braid. As you guys can see. So it looks really, really good. And I did 1 parting space as I showed you guys. So that's what I'm doing for the front. And for the back, I might make it a little bit more spacier. Because this side looks a bit full as it is. I'm going to start on the back. And then I will come back when this side is almost done. So see you guys in a bit. Ta-da! And we are finally done. We are done with our crochet passion twist. And as you see, it came out completely beautiful. You guys see my raggedy braids that I attempted to do, which I totally am proud of myself for doing. And it came out completely fine. You can't even see the braids at all. And that's the beauty of it for us non-braiders, or for us beginner braiders. It doesn't have to be perfect because no one's going to see it because the hair is going to cover the braids up. So I hope you guys really like this freaking look. I only put the blonde on 1 side of my head, and I used about, I don't know, 8. I used about 8. I only put them on 1 side of my hair. So let me just be quiet for a little bit so you guys can just check out the hair. So this is how my part looks. So this is what you have here. It's totally lightweight. It is not heavy on my head at all. Let me go ahead and turn around for you guys. So that's how it looks. But as you guys can see, it's completely full. And it is a perfect fall/winter protective hairstyle for those of you that are, you know, looking for a protective hairstyle, something quick and easy. I mean, if I didn't take all the breaks and all that, like literally this took me about an hour and a half. The hardest part for me was the braiding because I don't know how to braid, but the easiest part, the simplest part, and it was so freaking quick, was putting in these passion twists. Literally, you put the hook in, latch it onto the hair, close the latch, pull the hair through, and then you have your hole there. You put the end through the hole, pull it, done. Like literally, it took me no time to get my head done like this. Seriously. And I didn't use all 5 packs. I still have black and I have some blonde here. I believe I have 12 strands. So literally, if you wanted to just get by, save 10 bucks and only use 4 packs, I honestly feel like you can do it. Like honestly. But if you want to be on the safe side, get 5 packs. But if you don't even care about being on the safe side, you're going to make it work no matter what, you can. As you can see, they're pretty thick and they hide a lot. It turned out super duper amazing. So I'm gonna wear my hair to this side, as you guys can see, but it'll be cute on this side as well. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I know the beginning of the video was like, a little sketchy, like she don't know what she doing. Then I come back like, boom, bang, okay? See, you just gotta have faith, okay? Have faith in me, y'all. I'm gonna come through, okay? It may start off a little rocky, but guess what? We gonna get to the finish line, sis. All right, we gonna get there. And we definitely got there with this one. I love this hair. Make sure you guys go out and cop you some passion twist crochet hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I come through with the best. You already know. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Don't forget to comment any comments you have and I will totally get back to you guys. Thank you. Let me know if you enjoyed the video or not. Have a blessed one. We'll stay tuned.